Go KMU-100 Studio. Top 5 features. Number 1. All-in-one workstation. It's a fully equipped video production studio. Number 2. Capture 8 HD video shots with only 2 4K cameras. Convert 2 4K video inputs to up to 8 full HD selectable screens. Assignable SDI output. Flexible output to 8 channels. Number 3. It's an 8 virtual camera video switcher. Intuitive switcher control panel. The KMU controller for efficiently switching and manipulating the video outputs. Number 4. 4 multi-view layouts. Number 5. User-friendly UI control. An easy-to-use control panel with the joystick. For more information on the Go KMU-100 Studio, please visit our website.